NRG Energy is one of the largest energy companies in the U.S., serving more than 6 million customers across 13 states and the District of Columbia. The company has a diversified portfolio of generation, retail, and renewable assets, as well as a customer-centric strategy that focuses on delivering value, choice, and convenience. In 2021, NRG Energy delivered on its promise of higher returns for investors by achieving a net income of $2.19 billion, increasing its dividend by 10%, and executing its capital allocation strategy of debt reduction, share repurchases, and strategic investments. Let's take a closer look at each of these achievements. First, NRG Energy reported a net income of $2.19 billion in 2021, or $8.93 per diluted common share. This was a significant increase from the net income of $510 million, or $2.06 per diluted common share, and the net income growth was driven by several factors, including the acquisition of Direct Energy, which added more than 3 million customers and expanded NRG's geographic footprint and product offerings, the realization of synergies and cost savings from the integration of Direct Energy, the mitigation of the financial impact of Winter Storm Uri, which affected Texas and other regions in February 2021, and the favorable market conditions and operational performance of NRG's generation assets. Second, NRG Energy increased its dividend by 10% in 2021, from $1.20 per share to $1.32 per share annually. This was the fourth consecutive year that NRG raised its dividend, demonstrating its commitment to returning capital to shareholders and growing its dividend sustainably. The dividend increase was supported by NRG's strong cash flow generation and balance sheet strength. Third, NRG Energy executed its capital allocation strategy of debt reduction, share repurchases, and strategic investments in the company reduced its net debt by $1.5 billion, exceeding its target of $1 billion, and improved its credit metrics and ratings. The company also repurchased $1 billion worth of shares in 2021, reducing its outstanding shares by 11% and enhancing its earnings per share. Additionally, the company invested $400 million in growth initiatives, such as expanding its renewable energy portfolio, enhancing its customer experience platform, and developing new products and services. In summary, NRG Energy has delivered on its promise of higher returns for investors by achieving a net income of $2.19 billion in 2021, increasing its dividend by 10%, and executing its capital allocation strategy of debt reduction, share repurchases, and strategic investments. The company has also maintained its guidance for 2022, expecting to generate an adjusted EBITDA of $2.4 billion to $2.6 billion and a free cash flow before growth investments of $1.5 billion to $1.7 billion. NRG Energy is well positioned to continue creating value for its customers, shareholders, employees, and communities in the future.